Alright, in this video, I'm just going to show you guys some basic navigation tools, and what that means is how do you get in and out of certain things in Schoology. So the first thing that you're going to want to pay attention to in Schoology is this button up here called Courses, and that's where you can find our activities every day, and then you can also find our online Zen zone. So you want to make sure you know this button up here, Courses. Then once you get into our course, okay, once you click on it right here, some basic navigation you'll need to know is, so say maybe you go into your Monday folder to see what your Monday activities are. And say you want to go back to that page we were just on. There's two ways that you could get there. You could get there by just clicking right here on the materials button. Or another option is you can use this little arrow up here, the back arrow. So those are kind of two key things to remember. And then whenever you are trying to scroll, you can use the down arrow on your keyboard or the up arrow, or you can use your mouse pad to help you move up and down. If you use two fingers, that'll help you scroll. And that's it. Those are just kind of the basic tools that you need to know whenever you're going in and out of things in Schoology.